Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host, P5, aka P's are good, P's are good. And this is another episode of Whatever the Fuck I Want to Talk About. And on today's episode of Whatever the Fuck I Want to Talk About, we will be doing subscriber shoutouts. So, you know how we do this. I'm just going to get into it, as I always start with. If your name doesn't come up, it's because your settings are set to private and you're not showing up on my list of subscribers. But if you have subscribed and you've not heard me call out your name, just drop me a line. I'll shout you out on the next one. You know, no problem at all. All right, guys, shall we start? Let's start. Okay, so I'd like to give a shout out to Chiefs fan 33. Shout out to you, Kansas City Chiefs. Did they win or did the other people? I can't remember, but shout out to you. I want to shout out OU4. Rebecca Arnett. Ooh, I got a lady subscriber. I've only got about 5 of those, I swear to God. So shout out Rebecca, mad love to you. Drop a line and yeah, man, say hello. Yashil Bura. Izat Azrul, SLX hyphen, the Meow Meow Show. Shout out to the Meow Meow Show. He did a review on the Stone Island crepes, I believe, as well. I left a comment. He left a comment on mine. Yeah, so mad love to you, sir. Shout out KG Namitsua. Sounds like a Japanese name. If it's not, I do apologize, but great name. Shout out Big Luther. That's LUTHA. Mad love to you. Okay. Shout out Matthew Goran. Matthew Goran. Shout out Haida Jarudi. Mad love to you guys. Shout out Kenneth Ho. Shout you out, sir. Shout out DMagic21. Shout out Mid. Mad love and thank you for your subscription, guys. Much appreciated. Shout out Ashley09. Ekman. Chulan. That's CHULAHHN. Shout out to you guys. Shout out Miles Cuts. Ukuts, CUTTS, and shout out S1MONT. Mad love to you guys as always. Shout out Eek Lay, and that's EEKLE. Shout out G Stookie. Shout out Rock NYC1. The Rock is in the building. Shout out Scott Baniasia, that's right. Shout out One Ton. Shout out Reginald Thomas. Shout out Shah Dragon. Mad love to you lot, guys, man, for your subscription. It's really appreciated for sure. Shout out F23. Shout out Antoine Jerome Oliver. Dope name. Shout out Sydney Payne. Un, deux, trois. So that's Sydney Payne 123. Mad love to you. Shout out Gaming with Tay Tay. Shout out Dio Baish. So that's DIOBAYISH. Shout out Margot Brooks. I wonder if that's another lady. It's MARGAUX Brooks. So if you are, mad love. I always appreciate it when a woman jumps on, because I know it's a bit of a boys club, innit? But mad love to you. Shout out Nigel Burris. Shout out RT PhD. Shout out Mario Sandoval. Shout out, I think this is a Russian name, and unfortunately I can't say the name because it's in Russian, but shout out to you. I think that's AMNTPNN, and I think it's a Russian GAWRAN. I'm not sure, but mad love to you. I appreciate all you guys from all over the world. Thank you so much. Shout out M Davio99. Shout out Chris Ramox. Shout out Chris Ramos. Mad love to you, sir. Also another Russian name, I believe, and that is MAPK, and then OME. I think it's a NRHYK. Yeah, shout out to you guys, man. I love all my supporters from everywhere. So yeah, those are my subscriber shout outs. That is all that's showing up. So guys, like I said, if I've not called your name, it's because you're not showing up. I just want to give a mad shout out to all of you, mad love. Yeah, and I appreciate you guys support. I appreciate the new, the old, the current, and the coming. So yeah guys, as always, man, you already know what it is, man. Stay dope and stay flyers. As always, I'll be doing these at least once a month so I can compile them. So just drop me a line. You know what it is. I will respond to all your comments. And yeah guys, it's just always a pleasure to do these things, you know. So yeah, just want to send you lot mad love, say that I appreciate your support, say that I appreciate your love, your comments, your responses, and trust me, I respond to every comment, and it doesn't have to be a comment that is saying I'm wonderful, or you know, there's comments saying this is shit, or that's fine. As long as you're not rude and you're not thingy, I'll respond. And even if you are rude, I might respond and then I'll block you. So you know, I'm not afraid to, you know, have criticism or anything like that. So guys, do what you do. Just remember, keep it respectful, keep it love, like most of you all always do. There's always the, not even a handful, the minutiae that, you know, think they can just come on people's page and, you know, say stuff. But again, this is a love page, you know what I mean? We only deal with good vibes, good energy and respect around here. So yeah, shout out to you guys. You guys are the MVP. I'm just a conduit, a vessel for this fly stuff that we're sharing. Them you guys are the people who enjoy it. So mad love to you guys, and stay dope, stay fly. This has been another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. This has been subscriber shout outs. I've been your host P Fire, aka P's are good, and this has been another episode of Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.